Hello everyone, now you can see Nissan Elgrand E51 3rd series. This car had Japanese system. We made conversion of it for using in Europe, using original Nissan Elgrand E52 equipment. So now you can see Navi maps of Europe and Russia. Also all the factory functions work. Of course, European radio. You can control the system by buttons on the steering wheel. It worked like before. Climate control. It works. It's showing on the display. Also, around view. The front camera is not connected now. Reverse camera. Dynamic lines. Also settings. It has English voice recognition and voice guidance, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth handsfree, DVD drive, USB for playing music and video. Also, of course, the roof display. It's opening. Also, we installed here additional Android box. You press back button, and now you can see Android interface. You can control it by original control buttons or using touch screen. The sound from original car speakers with very good quality. So the ad, of course, it's showing on the roof display without any problems. It's playing. You can install here any applications you want, like YouTube, additional navigation system, or anything else, Spotify, Waze. Just use Play Markets. It connected to internet by Wi-Fi from the phone. Navi maps. So if you have any questions or want to buy it, please contact us. How to contact us you can find in the description. Many thanks for watching, and goodbye. Have a nice day.